Good morning. My name is Sarana. Yes, class 7. But there are some students who are newcomers, so for those who don't know me, my name is Sarana and I teach English. When I say English, I mean the literature part. Okay, so due to this pandemic, yes, we all know that we cannot go to school. It's so sad, isn't it? But anyway, that doesn't stop us from teaching and learning. So, through this video, I'm going to explain the story of Expert Detective. That is chapter 6. As we written on the whiteboard, chapter 6, Expert Detective. So, students, like I always said, don't just look at this video and say it's enough. Okay, this is not enough. Once you've heard my explanations, just open a textbook, read out the story by itself. Okay, don't just only read it once. Read more than once. Okay, more than once. For your better understanding. And also, whenever you read out your stories, always put dictionary right beside you, so that you will be able to understand the difficult words that you find in that story. Okay. So without further ado, let's hop into the story. So in this story, Expert Detective, there are some characters which I would like to point out, or which I would like you to remember. Nishat and Maya, the main character. Nishat and Maya's mother. Okay. Anyway, then Mr. Not. Mr. Not the culprit. Okay. The one they think that is the culprit. Then we have Mr. Mehta, the restaurant owner, Ramesh, the waiter, and Mr. Shankar, the hotel owner. Those are the important names in that story. Okay. Okay, let's begin. Nishat was a boy of 7. Also called 7 because his name means the 7th note on the musical scale. And his 10-year-old sister Maya are very curious about one Mr. Nut. Then one day, the children marble rolls into Mr. Nut's room and Nishat gets a chance to see him. Is he a crook on the run? Why is his face badly scarred? Why has he no friends? Nishat's mother, a doctor, knows Mr. Nut as a patient who is very polite. Okay, before I begin with the explanations, I want you to know that, yes, I'll be reading out, At first, I was trying to explain the story in brief. Okay, but for your better understanding, I'm going to read out the story. And while I'm reading it out, I'll be explaining the stories in English and Mizo. Okay, so I want every one of you, every of you, pay attention. Nishat, 7-year-old. Maya, 10-year-old. And Mr. Nut is a patient of Maya's and Nishat's mother. He's a patient. Okay, Expert Detective Part 1. As we walk back towards the clinic, 7 said, he doesn't look anything like a monster, Maya. But did you see him? How thin he is. Maybe he is very poor and can't afford to eat. He can't be poor if he's a crook on the run, I told him. He's probably got millions of rupees stashed away somewhere in that room. Okay, what do we know from our readings? Here in the story, Mr. Nut, patient of the Maya's and Nishat's mother, look strange. Okay, strange. So, and for that, Maya and Nishat think that Mr. Nut is a crook or a culprit. They're the same. They think that he's a crook. Okay, because there's a scar on his face. That man doesn't look like a familiar or ordinary citizen. So he was very unfriendly. They think that he was very unfriendly, and his weird face or his weird accent made those two children suspicious. Okay. Ông diệt chú Mr. Nut he đã chạy tổng pha đến Maya là Nishata nu Enkolai là. Cái chú tập chú an marble an tela ni chú an marble ka Mr. Nut nó tu lúc mấy đi. Chú cũng khởi cái ka Mr. Nut là không à. Thế này đủ. Nó mà xí rồi. So Maya decided to the marble look for the point of the thing here. So Mr. Nut relax ka. Kaya ba ko tilo. Khale ko tilo. Kaya khale ko. Kami ko khan aning helani. Aning helani. Which one? Let's see, of course, is 1. 7. I said, and he certainly isn't starving. Mr. Mehta told us that Ramesh brings his meal up from the restaurant downstairs. Which one? Thế là sẽ có Mr. Mehta, restaurant owner kan may tupa ka tika. John Ramesh tika ka restaurant sula tika ka. John Nisha John, anh này mắc 7 kan tika. Ka nen. Masih Australia kan masih di restaurant akanin Ramesh til itu la kachina tika masih dalam tak main. But Mr. Mehta told us he doesn't work anywhere, so how can he possibly have money to pay for food? Nishad said, exactly, I exclaimed. He must have lots of money hidden somewhere, maybe in the trunk in his room. It's probably full of silver and gold and jewels and this one, Nishad Khan, Mr. Not he in Manato, but you see, mà sẽ biết tìm hiểu về tụ là lòng gì vậy mặc tiêu lộ đi thì chuan mai có chuan đi chia lộ cái cái đi làm chuan đi nà khan đi thính được chung à paysa tam to thu lu niệm đi mai chuan mai tất mi then Nishad, what rubbish, Nishad interrupted. I know I'm right, stupid. I told him, by the way, 7, did you see his cars? I couldn't. It was too dark, but I bet he got them during a shootout with the police or something. Mommy told us quite clearly that they were burn scars, Nishad said firmly. Katia Maya ina, Mr. Nada, dia paysa thu luang di kan si. Zoro lo ta, Nishad ka de ro to me ni. Amila ti ni. This one Maya chuan. Ka di ka lo mo la. Karing yang chuan ni karing engine de bia also so mai sang ne so karing dan chuan ui so ne da an do da la ba ai bi hiam ban so ai bi hiam ban yang tin anga da kat me ni pa se ni sa chuan im lo ka du pon mi ko lai ta ka ni ka ti ve lo mi ko lai ta ka ni lo im lo mai ti lo ni ta kat me ni Then perhaps the police had to set his fires on fire to force him out. I suggested. 7 looked unsure. On the Monday following Mama's birthday, 7 went along with her to the clinic at Gurgaon, as I was spending the evening with a school friend. When they returned, Nishad told me he'd been to see Mr. Nath, and I felt most annoyed that I hadn't been there. 7 had been quite upset about Mr. Nath's gone appearance and was sure that he was starving. He told me that he had knocked loudly on Mr. Nath's door that evening and said, "Open the door quickly, Mr. Nath." The man had opened it and asked him, "Lost another marble?" He had obviously recognized my brother. "No," said Nishad. He had taken the man's hand into his own and thrust a bar of chocolate into it. This one, Trung Katsu, Nishad he anu bula damloina a clinica kan asiveni. This one, Maya betul also askula chepe honne, una no pangoni. This one mini here Nishad here, Mr. Nath room here, nama tein marble atin aluta, ama thu in vang kan this one Mr. Nath a chair sino, ako man so wali. Itu cha mo ni ti ngai ta, so ako ni. Kami vang kanin engge kan dia ruang kan lo nei ni. So lo man so e sai don. Ba ka lo. So Mr. Nath room ma so marble aluta, so Mr. Nath ko kan ki foka. Mr. Nath so lo hunga engge marble ti boy to mi dan. This one Nisha the one ma so lo yin. Ai tenzena this one chocolate bar. Chocolate petali. This one Mr. Nath also chocolate chu la. Kalau itu this one lo la kan pak. Ka mai kan makalo ti ni lo pura ni mai kan. Did you get a chance to peek into the trunk? 7, I asked. Nishad looked disappointed. He didn't even ask me, he said, then he smiled. But I did find out something, Maya. I went down to the restaurant where Ramesh works and talked to him. Good for you, Mr. Detective, I said, patting him on the back. I hope you questioned him properly. 7, look, please, Ramesh told me that he takes 2 meals from his blood every morning and evening and 2 cups of tea, one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Ramesh say he's not very particular about what he eats. He always eats the same food, 2 chaptis, some dal and vegetables. Mr. Nath pays cash and tips well. It's all my say to God. I don't know many. And I feel it's not. I actually feel she who am done. Oh, it's only shot. So I'm low. Who was it? Who? So like a pair. Don't know what you know. So like a law. I'm used to go to hiding the done. Oh. Masih maya, itu sih tak kena tadi. Oh, susu ini, ini susu kah? Itu juga sebab ramesh. Oh, restoran thok kan di kah? Kah susu dah, itu misalnya jadi susu dah ni. Misalnya dah here til itu order sih dia. Oh, so til itu buat tu, sedang tang di relo, ngai di order ni. Itu ni, orang dia tu, misalnya every morning and evening, 2 cups of tea. Tadi, oh. Jinglet kaya, jinglet kaya. King Peter lama, so itu orang ni. Jinglet saya profile, campur kan kita, dante, apa tinggal sosok kan, dalam sini. Oh, aku tak dalam sini. Yang mana nama ini kami mai dek dalam sini. Ramesh told me something very strange, Maya. 7 added almost every Sunday he carries 2 lunches to Mr. Nath's room and the same man with him each time. He's tall, fair, stout, and unique. Spectacles, Ramesh says his little talks a lot, unlike Mr. Nath, who hardly speaks. Thì chuan tại vì tôi nói thì chuan rồi bây giờ tôi là rồi dễ là Sunday đi ở bên tôi nói chuan ấy tour và thì kinh xe đi và khát chú Mr. Nathan và khát chú Sunday đi biếng in liên pa in liên pa ta đi thì cái số sẽ có some số này Nisha chuan well done Nisha I told him now that we have made some progress with our inquiries we'll have to sort out all the facts like expert detective so that we can track the truth. How you do go on, Maya, 7-sided. How can you possibly imagine he's a crook? He looks so ordinary. Criminals can look quite ordinary, smarty. I retorted. Did you see the picture of the Hyderabadi housebreaker in the papers yesterday? He looked like any man on the streets. Nisha looked doubtful. Maya chuan Nisha da khatianga ajan sin zong kha lo zo kha lo me ni ti thati me ni anau Nisha da oh thati me ni ma se ta ta khalin Nisha da chuan Mr. Nath kha ru la ko te kan lo me ni oh ru ko te kan lo me ni ma se khami wa ko te ro lo kha Maya ka lo ni le ko ga ani lo ni lo ka ma ni su te ke chia ni su pra ko ka lo ni ka ru ti lo ka Kalau lupa lah, kalau ya, itu benar dengan bahwa itu kan dia kan dosin, asal itu dia bayar jangan satu sih, bukan? Oh,